Hello students, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. So we have the question on the alternating current. See the question here. In an AC circuit, the instantaneous EMF and the current are given by. The EMF is given as E is equal to 100 sine of 30 into T, which is given. And the value of the current is given as 20 into 30T minus pi divided by 4. Okay, in one cycle of AC, the average power consumed by the circuit and the wattless current are. So for the one cycle of AC, the value of the pi becomes, it is pi divided by 4. Okay, so the average power consumed by the AC circuit and the wattless current, both they are asking you to calculate. Here the average power is given as, it is IRMS into ERMS into cos of pi. IRMS into ERMS into cos of pi. But here the IRMS value is not given. Therefore, here I0 value and the E0 value is given. The relation between I0 and IRMS is I0 upon root 2 is nothing but IRMS. E0 upon root 2 is nothing but ERMS into the cos pi. Okay, so now we can substitute the value. So here the value of the I0 is I value is, it is 20. So it is 20 divided by root of 2 into the value of this ERMS is, it is 100 upon root 2 into cos of pi. So cos pi pi by 4 anta ide. So pi by 4 anta andre estagutte students. So pi by 4 anta andre it is nothing but cos of 45 degree. Hauda? So cos of 45 degrees. So cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. 100 into 20 is nothing but. So here upon root 2 is. So therefore here if you simplify this, this will become 1000 upon root 2. Because cos 45 is also 1 upon root 2. So this becomes 1000 upon root of 2. Okay. So this is the value of the average power. This is the value of the average power. Next, they are asking you to calculate the wattless current. So here the wattless current is given by, it is IRMS into cos of pi. It is given by IRMS into cos of pi. So here the value of the IRMS is how much? This IRMS is nothing but I0 upon root 2 into cos 45. Sorry, this is sine pi. This is sine pi. So this becomes sine of 45 degrees. So sine 45 is also 1 upon root 2. So root 2 will get cancelled. 2 anta agate. Hagagi I0 value is 20 upon 2. So 20 upon 2 is nothing but 10. 20 upon 2 is nothing but 10. So here in the option they have given 50, 10, 1000 divided by root 2. So this is root 2, 10. 50 upon 2 into comma 0. 50, 0. So namdilli 1000 upon root 2 average power bandide ಮತ್ತೆ wattless current 10 anta bandide. So option B is the right answer. Okay, thank you.